Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of TDM Eskimo Mobile. With Android 12 updates and One UI 4 updates, Samsung is pushing Samsung DeX too. Samsung DeX is becoming more and more like a normal desktop feeling. So let's see how. As you can see on my screen, I'm using Microsoft Hub app. As you can see, there is 5 open files, 3 Word files, and 2 Excel files. Also, I have 3 different Samsung Notes open. The Samsung Internet browser has a neat feature now too. If we go to the cog in the settings here, and within it, if I can find where it was, useful features. Here we are. Open links in other apps. Open links in related apps instead of Samsung Internet. So you can see I have mine switched off. And what that allows you to do, this is the beta one. What that allows you to do is to open without much hassle anymore is Google Docs. And if you like to use on the web Microsoft Office, it doesn't complain or doesn't prompt you to try to use the Android app anymore. Which is something I think it should have been a built-in feature all the time. Now this is the beta version of Samsung Internet Browser. And this has a few neat things too. Their settings is different. It's in here. Layout and menu. Together, tab and address bar layout together. And now it's separate again. Now if I put it together again, you see in the top left tab, it's actually the address bar. And what they also do, which I think should have been the bookmark bar. To me, Samsung Internet Browser with Samsung DeX should have always had a feature like this. Recognizing that it's running Samsung DeX and show the bookmark bar or not show it like it's doing now. To me, this should not have been something. It should have always been there. So what else is new? Let's open these up, all these up again. So this is the hub. So if I pin it, unpin window, I click it again, pin window. So what does this mean? How does this help me? So let's open one of these files here. And so when you pin it, it forces the window to always be on top. And let me pin it again. And see, now that window is always on top. So not only can you have multiple documents open, so opacity. Now this is on all the windows, on all the apps. You can even see your opacity here on notes. If I open up settings, all these icons are up here. And look at that. So you can only have one window pinned. So if I unpin this one, now I can select to pin this one. But now there's no pinning option here. So you can only have one window pinned at a time. So opacity, let's see what opacity is about. So now you have a normal desktop feel of applications where in some desktops, in some themings of traditional desktops, you have opacity now on Samsung DeX. Isn't that cool? So I just wanted to make a quick video and show that. Thank you. Have a nice day.